Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to silence non-contacts automatically to prevent distraction. First, open the phone app on your Android device. Look at the top right corner of the dialer screen layout and tap on the three vertical dots icon to expand the options. From the drop-down menu that appears on your display, tap directly on Settings. Scroll down through the Call Settings menu list and tap on the section labeled Blocked Numbers. Locate the toggle option explicitly labeled Unknown, which controls blocking calls from unidentified and private numbers. Tap the switch next to Unknown to turn it on, instantly instructing the framework to reject calls from unidentified callers. Tap the switch next to Numbers Not in Contacts to turn it on, instantly instructing the framework to reject calls from numbers not stored in your contacts. Alternatively, go back to the main Settings app, tap on Notifications, and select Do Not Disturb from the panel layout. Tap on People, select Calls, and change the permission rule to Allow Calls from Contacts Only to ensure random alerts do not break your focus. The operating system framework will instantly apply the rule, silently routing all non-contact attempts to voicemail or blocking them completely without vibrating or waking your display screen. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.